Hello students, myself Jayashree Trivedi from Osam Pathak School. Welcome in online tutorial. Today I am going to discuss about active passive voice. Active voice means the door of the action is done by the subject. It's called active voice. Mean when the action is done by the person is called active voice, and the passive voice is when the door of the action and the door of the subject is done and receiver by the someone or receiver by the object is called passive voice. For almost simple present tense, continuous present tense, perfect present tense and all the modal auxiliaries used in active passive voice. Let's learn about properly. Active passive voice. Active voice. When the subject is the door of the action, the sentence is in active. The pattern of the subject is active voice, subject plus verb plus object plus extra verbs. We can say it on other words too. Here, for example, Meena writes a letter today. Is the sentence is given for the present tense. Meena is the subject. Meena is the subject. Writes is the present tense verb, tense related verbs, object or letter and extra word today. Today is the present day. For example, who is the door of the action? To Meena. Meena is the subject. What is his object? Which action done by Meena? She writes a letter. Second example, Jai plays cricket daily. Who plays cricket? Jai. If we want to ask the question with who is the door of the action, we can get the subject and pronoun. Plays is the verb. Cricket is the object and daily is the extra word or another words. Jai plays cricket daily. Here Jai is the subject. Jai is the subject of the door of the action. Plays is the translated verb. Cricket is the object and daily is the extra word. Another example, Ram eats rice every day. Who eats rice every day? So who ask with the question what? We can get the subject Ram. Eats is a verb, rice is the object and every day is the another action. Here, if we want to know subject, we ask the question with who, and if we want to object, we ask question with the what. Now change into passive voice. What is called passive voice? When the subject of the sentence is the receiver of the action, the sentence is in passive voice. For the SP of sentence pattern of passive voice is the object is the receiver. So here a letter is the object. Here a letter is, here we use the third form of write verb. Here present tense write. The third form of write is return. Here we use agent by. By Meena. Meena is a subject, or we can use by me, by her, by she and today. Here we know about subjective case and objective case personally. For active passive, to know the subject, who is the subject of the action and who is the receiver of the action, we know two questions. We ask only two questions with the sentence. Number one, question, ask the question with who. Suppose, for example, Meena writes a letter. So ask question with who writes a letter. Absolutely answer is, we get answer Meena. Meena is the door of the action. Second, for passive voice, ask the question with what. Means, who is the receiver of the action? Meena writes a letter daily. What does Meena write daily? The answer is a letter. A letter is the object. So here the keywords of the active passive voice is ask the question with who and what. If you are asked the question who, the answer you will get subject and a pronoun too. If you ask the question with what, you can receiver of the action or you can find the object. Sometimes when the action is not denied by but it done by someone. Suppose for example the cycle is repaired by someone. Someone has repaired the cycle. So at that time we guess the subject. At that time we guess the pronoun too. Let's understand. Here the keywords for to know the subject, ask question with who. Meena writes a letter. Now ask who writes a letter. Here we find the answer Meena. For to know the object or receiver of the question, the ask question with what? What does Meena write? Meena writes a letter here. Letter is the object and Meena is the subject. For active passive, we should know the subjective case and objective case. I buy, me here, buy is the agent. Buy is the agent. We cannot say by is the preposition here. Here we know there are so many by used in English literature. But here by is the agent. I buy me, we buy us, you buy you, you buy you, he buy him, she buy her, it buy it, they buy them. Students, for learning active passive very well, first we should learn all the tenses. In active passive voice, all the tenses are used. Instead of future continuous tense, cannot use simple present tense. Students, we already learned all the tenses with active passive voice. Now we learn how modal auxiliaries, infinitives and going to construction used in active passive voice. Here all the modal auxiliaries like can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should and must used in the active passive voice. These 9 modal auxiliaries we use in active passive voice. When we use modal auxiliary, remember one thing only, modal auxiliary plus be plus V3 means past participle we can use and we can make the passive voice. For infinitive, we can use only infinitive plus be plus V3 and we can make the passive voice. Here going to construction also used in active passive voice. Let's understand with the example. For modal auxiliaries, for passive voice, modals plus be plus use of V3. For example, I can do it. So, the object is this. It can be done by me. Here, not more changes, but only modals plus be plus V3 we can use. Same as of the all this. He may drive the car. What does he drive? The car. The car may be drive past V3 of drive driven by him. We can use infinitives too. Infinitive means the verb form with the to. That is called infinitive. I want you to post the letter. The letter I want the letter to be posted. Here only to post. Instead of to post we use to be and V3. So we can make another more example too. Then sometime we can use let's sentence. Let's play cricket, let's drink milk, let's read book, let's show the tournament, let's watch the serial. So when we use let's sentence, we can say let in the same place, then object let cricket be play verb form of play, played V3 we can use. Same thing happen with the going to construction is that